What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a little update. As you can see, that I had 2 skids of concrete. I went and picked up and got delivered to the house. We got it formed. We got the little pad formed out. And you know what we're putting up? We're putting up this lift, the Eagle lift, finally. On the top of the video of us mixing the concrete and poured it in. We're gonna put a little bit more rebar down in here in a little while. But yes, people might think this ain't the right way to do it, but guys, the post right here is gonna be a foot, but that's gonna be a 15 inches right here. Your 10 inches in the middle, and your 15 right here. So you got over a foot and a half of concrete for this lift to set on. But yes, we're gonna just got them forming it up. We got 2 skids of concrete right here. 80-pound bags. Going to have to I got the mixer up a little higher so I can get the wheelbarrow under it, where I could dump the concrete out in the mixer. I can't get my pallet jack under these pallets, and plus that pallet jack ain't gonna pick up this concrete. So, well, I got the concrete set. It kind of messed me up, but it's been raining all week. So basically, I cut the bags in half, cut them in half, where I can half the weight, 40 pounds at a time instead of 80. But it's going to take both of these skids. It's 84 bags. By my calculations, we might be 5 bags short. But we're going to start that end and come this way. If I start to run out, I hope I run out past the halfway point, because the lift arm's going to be right here in the side, right here. If I run out, I'm hoping I'm past the halfway point. I can go tomorrow and get 5 or 6 more bags to fill it in right here on the edge. But other than that, stay tuned. I'm going to put you on the tripod, and I'm going to see if I can get some good footage of us pouring concrete in a little while. It's going to be nighttime. We're going to have a little light on. So, bear with us. Alright guys, we got the pad poured. For some odd reason, I hit the record button on the camera and it never recorded us pouring the concrete. I got a quick little clip that I'll show y'all in a second. My wife took a full phone showing the process. We was pouring concrete at 10 o'clock at night. But it looks nice. Let me turn y'all around. We got some leaves on it right now. The leaves are falling out this tree. But yeah, it's killing good right here. Nice and pretty white. When I got to the end over here, right here, it's smooth. But over there, it's like the different colors. We got to mix a little, not too much, a little watery. Had a little excess water ran off in this hole. But you can see how thick the concrete is. I'm gonna fill this in with dirt. That's what the form was. I'm gonna fill that in with dirt. I gotta get the sticks back out of there. Come over here. I just pulled that other board out just a minute ago. When I fill this in with dirt, I am gonna go get some gravel, more than likely, and I'm gonna dig back. I'm gonna dig back a little 2 or 3 inches probably this way and put gravel, like a gravel seam all the way around it, because I need to get this ground graded flat, because the water is gonna run into the pad that way. It's gonna run that way and then coming down. So hopefully I don't have an issue of water getting under the pad. But it's a 4x12. It's a foot deep. People can probably gonna leave in the comments that this is sketchy, but guys, it's a foot deep. is a foot deep. We got over 7,000 pounds of concrete sitting here. We got weed ball in it. Now it's the waiting game. I'm gonna wait 30 days. It ain't gonna be 1 day ahead. It ain't gonna be 3 days ahead. 30 days from now, we're gonna be bolting these lifts up. Post here, post there. Each post has a foot of concrete. I'm gonna put 6-inch lag bolts in it and call it a day. But like I said, little quick update. Sorry I didn't make a full video of us pouring the concrete. For some odd reason, I guess I hit the button. I guess I didn't hit it hard enough. But it's work in progress. We're closing on 3,000 subscribers. Thanks to y'all. Every time y'all watch a video of mine, it helps support the channel. It helps support the business and get things. So right now we got a 2-post lift. We just gotta wait for this concrete to cure. And once it cures, I'll be back for part 2 of this when we're setting the lift posts up. Time being, I gotta clean up out here too. The time being, we got a Chevrolet Caprice I got in the lift. Just got the transmission bolted up to it last night. And we got a motor right here. I gotta put in that red car over in the corner. This is actually the second motor. The first motor I put in was bad. So, out of 2 pallets of concrete, out of 84 bags, we have 6 bags left. So, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thanks, guys.
Getting there.
Hey, that's what you would be doing.